Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. After a long time no see. I think many of you are wondering where I am getting this appear, right? So I'm here today to introducing you a keva kaipo industry. We have got here the ultra sunscreen here. So this sunscreen has no side effect. It is matched for all skin types. Okay. So here is very useful as we know. So you have seen I think in the advertisement also, right? So it is very helpful and you can use it too. By the way, we have got three types of sunscreen. There is a sunscreen SPF 30, SPF 50 and SPF 50 Ultra. So here is the second one, and the first one I did not get here, so I will show you next time when I get. Okay.